Let's go!
Hi guys, and welcome to Fine Foods Food Review Season 3. This season is a real special one because we've got a real big budget this time. So instead of just eating little bits of food that I found in the corner shop and in other little supermarkets, I'm going to be eating takeaways all season. And I thought, what a great way to start it off with a big old box of KFC. KFC stands for John F. Kennedy. I can't remember what the F is. I think it's Fred Vincent, but don't quote me on that because it might be Fredrickson or Ferdinand. I'm not sure. But I think we're just gonna go straight ahead and eat some JFK. So, what did I get for me today? Well, I got a Zinger burger. Here's what it looks like, and I paid a little bit extra to get a hash brown on it and some cheese. So we're going to go ahead and take a little bite of this and see what flavors we can analyze. There's some really nice complex flavours going on in there. You've got a very succulent brioche bun, and that really juxtaposes with the crispy breadcrumb coating on the chicken breast. Then you have the hash brown and the cheese. You can't taste either of those, but they're there and it adds something. I think if I was going to make this meal a little bit better, I'd have it warm, because this was really lukewarm, and I think in all the adverts it's always hot, and maybe they just maybe they don't serve their food hot anymore, but I think that it would be better if they did. So moving on to the next part of this meal, we've got some beans. These are actually really hot, so I don't know what's gone on there. Maybe their microwave stopped working halfway through when they were making my order. But we got some beans. I've heard that the beans from KFC are really good. I think we're just gonna try them right now. Those beans really do melt in your mouth. I think that they're really good. Probably the best baked beans I've ever had. They're definitely the sort of thing that I'd want to eat if I was watching Cars 2 in the cinema, or if I was just at home watching Cars 2 on my own. So let's head on to the next bit, which is just some chips or fries if you're from another country that isn't the UK. Maybe China, Finland, or
Netherlands.
Or China. So I'm going to eat some fries, some chips, some potato sticks. That was a very short-lived experience. Minimal flavour. It could do with some salt, but I think other than that, it's it's pretty good. And now on to the final part of this meal. I've got some miscellaneous chicken meat, and I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna try it. Now that was a very succulent chicken. I think it's a chicken drumstick. It's really succulent. You can see that just with one bite, I've got straight through to the bone. I know that with other types of chicken, you know, they sort of over batter it. You can't really get into the it right down to the bone, and you get a lot of breadcrumbs in your mouth. That didn't even happen here, so that's really good. And finally, I thought it was really considerate that KFC, the delivery driver, gave me a whole extra bag. And what's in this bag? Well, let me show you. It's some Pepsi Max. And I don't know why they put it in another bag. Maybe it's a cultural thing. I guess in America, you know, they have a lot more bags to put their things in. But I'm going to try this. Pepsi Max has the most sugar, that's why it's called Max. Maximum sugar. Max is short for maximum. That might be short for Maximilian. I tend to get a bit confused with that. I don't know. It might make it lose some points, but we'll see. That definitely had a really good fizz to it. A good flavour. I think you can't really tell the difference between Pepsi Maximum and Pepsi Regular, or you know, all the other Pepsis. So I think, you know, they didn't really need to put that extra word in. It's just a bit confusing. So that's going to definitely get some negative points for that. But all in all, it was good flavour, nice and cold, good fizz. It didn't hurt my throat or my stomach at all. So let's just do a quick roundup. We got the Zinger burger. That gets a 4 out of 10. It would have got maybe even a 7 if it was actually warm and if it tasted of anything. The beans get a 8 out of 10. Really nice beans there. Best beans in the bowl. The chicken leg drumstick, that definitely gets a 7. That was very nice. If it was a bit hotter, that would have been even nicer. And the fries, the chips, the crisps, the chips, they get a 3 out of 10. They didn't taste of anything. They were a bit cold. I wouldn't have even known if I was eating them if I hadn't seen myself put it in my mouth. And finally, the Pepsi Max gets about 2 out of 10 because it's nice. Yeah, it is. It's nice, but I think it's just a bit too confusing for me. I don't really get it. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the first episode of Fine Foods Food Review Season 3. Yeah. I hope you have. Join me next time when I'll be eating some more food. I'll tell you if it's good, I'll tell you if it's bad. If it's good, I'll eat it all of the food. Eat it all up. But if it's bad, I'll probably stop. So tune in next time so you can know what's good, what's bad, what's great, what's not. Subscribe, like, share, put it on Google Plus, and remember to join the Lobster Gang by hitting the subscribe button and smashing, obliterating, destroying the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video. Goodbye, bitches.